With a new grid view layout for your workflow page, you see a bunch of workflow, which we emphasize on the fall action. Let me see this one. You'll see run page without any distraction. You can cue the prompt, run it immediately. Go to the gallery page. Go to the edit page, which is going to the workspace directly. Yes, and then we've also made changes. We updated the machine build page when we build out the new machine. Here are the new machines, new machine dialogs. You see which part of the custom node is installing. If you have cached it, it'll be easier to debug. You just wait a little bit. You could also see side-by-side log. Go back to the new layout here. Should be in minutes. Okay, got it. Now the build is finished. I can go ahead and close the dialog. You see the new machine is finished building. See the log. Go back to workflows. I'm going to use the new machine. We also optimized the file download speed for workspace specific. So here, this first simple workflow. Also, you now see this autosave status with a queue run. ComfyUI is starting. Models loading. We should see the file faster than before. Orange. Okay, it's pretty good. Now, going back and forth native mode will be much predictable. What is native mode? If you don't know it, I can do a short explanation here. It's the static front end. When you don't queue prompt, you won't cost any money. So let me just stop the session right here. So stopping the session, the status is clear out. This is a static front end. And when I go into the native mode, which is going to spin up a full-blown ComfyUI instance, which I will see the traditional ComfyUI sidebar, and also it also works with the new. It usually takes a little bit of time to load. When editing in the static front end, changes will now bring into ComfyUI, the full-blown ComfyUI properly, and we can also go to the new ComfyUI front end. I think this is not the latest one, and I think I saved the updated ComfyUI version. But if you do here, if I queue prompt wise up there, he'll have full access to that instance in a short amount of time. I can increase the session. Image access will be similar speed or faster. Usually this will have more compatibility to most of your customers. If you've done your sections, this is from native mode, autosave, close it, go back. I see the changes from native mode. Now, if I want to deploy a new version to the API, I can deploy updates. Perfect. Version 3 up here. And actually version 5 up here. Yes, I think those would be the most important changes for this new release, which solved more usability issues and much easier to debug, more predictable. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.